Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. We want to look at the requirements from director after completion of the financial statement. Before, we had looked at the requirements to keep accounting records. Requirements to keep accounting records had been looked at, in which we discussed about where to keep the record, duration of record keeping, whose duty is it to keep the record and annual accounts. So, and we've discussed that the directors has responsibility to keep the accounting record. Even though the accountant prepares it, is the responsibility of the directors to keep it. The accounting record must be kept for at least minimum of 6 years. I'm just trying to summarize it. And where to keep the record must be kept in the registered office of the organization. Before that, we had looked at the sources of financial reporting regulation, in which we talked about the law as one source of the regulation. We spoke about the stock exchange listing of the company of the country as another source of regulation. And last but not the least, we've spoken about the accounting standard as third source of financial reporting regulation. After which we had looked at Maslow hierarchy of needs too. All these videos are being pushed out. We are just summarizing things that we've done over the week. And when we are talking about Maslow hierarchy of need, we are talking about survival, in which everybody, first of all, when we are starting out in life, we just want to survive. First of all, to have clothing on our back, shelter on the head, and food on the table. After that, everybody clamors for safety and security. We want to be safe, our belonging to be safe, our loved one. Then we want to have sense of belonging whatsoever we are doing as we continue to climb the ladder of actualization in life. Then we want to have our self-esteem intact. We are talking about the feeling important. And last but not the least, we want to have self-actualization, in which we become like a global citizen and we begin to ask, what can we do in return for people around us and for the world, to make the world a better place. By that time, we become a global citizen, and few people actually at the end of the day get to this ladder. Even though everybody could be, but few people actually at the end of the day walk through from the lower rung of the ladder to the last upper one. At the end of the day, get to find themselves. At the end of the day, few people actually actualize their dream and intent in life, and that is why this channel is to bring success out of everybody that's connected with us, and we are pushing out knowledge and how to become better, and especially in the world of business, accounting, and management governance, because all these are important areas of life that we must have strength to be better and become somebody that we want to be in life. If you are yet to subscribe to G James Associate channel, please go and subscribe. Gbenga Olatunji FCA has been speaking from G James Associate, and we pride ourselves that we add value to life and we add value to your business.